What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Electrowrap. Today, we're at a very special place called Grass Ranch Pit Bike MX. I brought myself back from the dead. I know I only do this a couple times a year. That's because we're holding an event here on April 30th called Fully Charged by Electro & Company. We're going to be doing razors, we're going to be doing pit bikes, we're going to be doing Surons. And I know there's not a lot of electric racing going on in this region, even though electric is exploding. So we're really excited for this event. We got Surronster behind us. He's going to be bringing down all of his buddies from LA. So all you guys from up south, down south, down south are going to be coming up north, I hope. And we got a bunch of guys here. Let's bring it together and let's get a series started with it. Let's go. For this event, camping will begin Friday night. Saturday is the event. Sunday is an open ride day for the majority of the day. So if you're not big on racing or you didn't get enough ride time in on Saturday during the practices, you will be able to ride on Sunday. This is going to be a full-on event, so there will be a vendor row. If you are a vendor, please contact us. We are still working out the entire vendor lineup right now. There will also be food present, food and drink. Please use the link in the description to sign up if you plan on riding your bike on the track. This will help us to understand how many people are going to show up and what kind of classes we're going to have to break down into ahead of time, so that way we can have a smooth running event, because I'm feeling there's going to be a lot of people coming, and that means that we need this to run as smoothly as possible. We also want to make sure that we have enough room for everybody, so please use the link in the description below to get yourself signed up. We look forward to seeing all of you. We usually like to have a good time. The camping is going to be a good time. Bonfire. So please come on out and consider camping and staying and riding on Sunday free ride. I'm going to be quiet so you guys can observe the track and hopefully get you pumped up and come out and race. Alright everybody, that's all we got for today's video. We hope to see you at the Fully Charged event here on April 30th. We cannot wait. And until next time, Electro out.